What's up, YouTube? Just up here at Switzerland, getting ready to air down just a little smidge bit, just because the trail's a little bumpy. We're not doing a Switzerland trail run. We're just going to find a camping spot and hang out for the night. It's freaking gorgeous, like 50-ish degrees outside right now. It's supposed to only be like 17 with a pretty decent wind gust tonight. So hopefully the rooftop tent doesn't blow away on me with me up there. And Brandon's got his new sleeping platform to try out.
Oh yeah. You just shot Ed too. Ed, back up.
What's up, Ed? Hi, bud.
Oh, he's coming out.
Oh, you got all the way down by yourself?
You big boy.
What's up, Sleepy? He is getting big. Oh yeah. Gonna be nice and cozy in there. Padded a little bit. Just waiting to start the trail for Brandon to get all of his 10 cameras ready.
Just two.
It's 10, don't let him lie. No?
Okay.
You ready? Alright. Now we're gonna hit the trail. Get down right over there. Oh yeah. You can't really tell in the video, but my Jeep's definitely leaning like a lot. Like this is about straight. This is how YouTubers stay in shape. Gotta set up the tripod, get back in the vehicles. Woo!
Alexis rear bumper certified.
Oh, you won't hit rear bumper.
Oh, you're underestimating how low it is.
I don't have a rear bumper, so trying to peer pressure Brandon into doing the little small hill decline. It wasn't that bad. I had it on another one of my videos. It's
for Jeeps, not.
Oh. Do you need me to hold your door again there, sweetie?
Yeah, actually that'd be great. A very heavy acoustic sound deadened door. That'd be great. Oh, thank you. Oh.
It's such a long way down when you're on a hill. Oh, shoot. All right. Oh, yeah, shoot. We're videotaping, huh? Oh, God. Oh. That tells you how much of an incline we're on. That door just slammed the shit out of itself. What's that?
That one real quick. Just
Yeah,
like
go for it.
back.
Yeah. It's so funny. This is why I do not do B-roll in a on a tripod, because I'm not trying to run all the way up there. He's a he's a warrior. I'm too lazy. Oh no! Here comes Ed. Ed just got out of the car. The little shithead, he just started flying up. He's like, my dad! Oh God, if I can get him. he's gotta run back down with Ed. Oh, that's too funny. What happened, dude?
Oh, he must have slipped out my back door there, eh?
Oh no, I think it's the open door.
Oh yeah.
He left the door. Look at the door's wide open. How'd you get out, Ed? You little shitheed.
He's really.
He's so tired.
He's like 40 pounds now.
Just talk to these people that are leaving right up here. Yeah, I feel the gust. They're from Iowa. Just chatted with them. They're the girl or the elder lady. She's actually from Pella. Pella is my high school rival, so that was kind of cool to see people from there.
I think this is the worst place to vlog.
Hey, you think it's a bit windy out here, bud?
I know the forecast.
The forecast said, is this where we're camping all of a sudden?
Yeah, we're right here.
It's great, so great. I'm gonna try and attempt this little incline with the little steps. It's not very tall, but I don't have lockers, so we'll see what happens. I think that's what I'm gonna try and do. Try and get my approach right there and over. Redeem myself on the little rock hill climb back there. I know it's not super steep or super hard, but open diffs makes it a little bit more difficult. And I was just kind of wiggling back and forth until I found the line that would actually get my tires moving in the right direction. So you'll see some of that video. I'll probably steal it from his channel because obviously I'm driving. But, yeah.
passenger side tire is never going to make it up it. So you need to come way more driver.
So what if I back down that way? Will I tip or no?
Back straight up. Yep. Just go straight back. Yeah, do that. There you go. You're beached on front control arm. Come more driver. Back up, back up, back up. Go a little bit more driver again. Ride on this rock like right here. Okay, you can keep going a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, now just crank it driver. And then just go slow. Keep going. Yep, driver. Okay, straight now, straight now. Come right here. Okay, you're gonna hit the step. Keep going. Nice. Fuck yeah. How do you feel after accomplishing the thing with open diffs?
I feel like I should have had a better spotter, and I probably could have picked a little bit better line the first time.
You know, let's not blame the spotter. The Jeep's obviously just not that capable today.
Okay, my bad.
It's but it's undamaged, so we can continue to go camping tonight.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we'll see.
Rocklander out.
Yeah, that Rocklander, not that Iowa game. He's there's his stuff. Follow him on the grams. I'm gonna try not bust ass trying to go down here. I mean, when you can, I'll keep it rolling. Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, you'll probably scrape. Ugh. Here's some contrast on the.
I feel so accomplished.
Yeah, it looks like so much crappier on video, but it looks good. I gotta get this. There's where he was burning out. That's where we smelled it, and then right there, gotta lift little marks. Down. Lay down. Yep, keep going, driver, a little bit. Okay, straight down. Oh, yeah. Got the angry eyes, he's so mad.
I know this is your YouTube channel, but that wasn't a gravel road with a view, Steve.
Cheers.
You guys are gonna have to tell us what you think. 270 awning, or a little 4-footer that goes out like maybe 5 or 6 feet, or the big awning.
Ed, what do you think?
Ed's just having a blast in the snow.
Luckily, there's a little bit of snow. Overestimated how much snow and there would be.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get the rear awning. I wanted that last time when I had my other awning, but that other awning spans the entire side of that rail.
Yeah.
So, and I used this mini built one. I'll probably go with that again. I didn't show this last time. This is how my propane's set up. Just got this long cord. It's kind of all bent right now, but we'll fix that. Just run it in, leave a little crack in there, done. So it's an easy way to not have to worry about changing out propane bottles or anything. Just keep the buddy heater on low. It's pretty nice, honestly. And said I was cold because he doesn't have any snow over there, and I parked right in the snow in the shade. What are you pulling out there, dude?
Got a new fancy thing thing from Amazon. It's a heated chair. You know,
The hot seat.
the hot seat. Not sponsored, so. But we would like to be sponsored. Brett would like one. After he sits in it for a little bit, he'll go in it.
So, how does it work?
So, right here, you put in like any kind of USB battery power bank, and you can plug in a Yeti or anything. It's just a USB with like 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack. It's like 7.5 hours of heat, and it's about the same as like a car heated seat. So.
Well, after about, 30 minutes or so of having a fire, we decided that probably be better off to go to the other spot that we normally go to. The wind is just whipping the smoke in every direction right now. So we're going to quick pack up, won't take us very long, head over to our spot, probably be about an hour or so. Well, I think that's about the fastest pickup ever. So freaking windy right here. We're going to take off to the other spot real quick, and gonna miss out on a little bit of view, but the other spot has a good view too. So hopefully it's not as windy, and hopefully a little bit better covered. God, it's cold outside. My hands are freezing after packing up the tent real quick. Only downfall, but it's still better than the soft shell that we used to have. That would have taken me like 20 minutes, and I would have been like, nope, we're staying. So. Jesus Christ, we're just out here exploring. I don't really want to go like...
Oh, there's a bunch of poop.
Is there?
Poop and broken glass.
Oh God. Yeah.
Looks like somebody buried somebody here.
Let's just leave this side alone, because that looks like Hey, come here, get back up there. Come here, little shithead. Come here, Shathid. All right, I gotta stop the video. Just at the top of the hill here, we spotted a moose again. She just does not care.
Hey.
Yeah.
We're making a little, a little hot chocolate, a little Jameson, a little special something. It's even got the marshmallows. It's like already cold.
That table's working out pretty good, huh? Man, in the morning, all you're gonna have to do is just open the door, and you can just sit there and make breakfast
I
like on your.
I'm gonna actually prep everything so I can do that. That's actually a really good idea.
Hey, Ed, get back in there.
Ed, lay down. Go lay
You
down.
little goofball. It's like, you go lay down. Trying to get some Jameson.
Yep.
Yep. Jameson-y.
Yeah.
Is it warm?
Yeah. It's like not gonna burn you at all. It kind of could have got a little warmer, but it's like ready to drink right away.
Yeah. It's definitely got Jameson in there. It's not like a strong drink at all.
It just says hi.
It's just a little nice warm hot cocoa and Jameson.
Here, I'm gonna put this hot water in your
What's up, guys? Just chilling after a few beers by the fire, since we did a lot of traveling today in between finding campsites, seeing moose and whatnot. So now just getting my camp propane stove set up, and gonna make myself some Mountain House meals. The one that I'm gonna be doing is the chili mac. It's pretty good last time I had it, so looking forward to not ruining this one like I did the last time. So as long as I don't put in too much water, right, Brandon?
Yep, no, not too much water. Make sure the hot water's super hot, and make sure you don't leave it in the cold.
Yeah. So gonna get this rolling, start cooking, hang out. I think she's already rolling. If I can find the off button. Yeah?
I'll be buying a fucking bunch of these. No, because if you buy like 30 of them at a time, you can get pretty low rates. You want to get back in?
Let this little sucker sit for a little bit, nice and warm. Put it in here. Get rid of all of my trash. Just excuse the potty pouches here. I'll just get rid of those. Alright. Tear down this for tomorrow morning.
Morning, everybody. Last night was a very windy night. I had to move the Jeep because instead of laying flat, my head was kind of angled down, so it really sucked for a little while. So luckily this isn't one of the flip over rooftop tents, and I just took the ladder off and drove the tent to where I needed it to be, or the car in the tent to where I needed it to be. And then I don't want to run the propane heater all night, because last time it just gave me a horrible headache in the morning. So I had turned it off for almost most of the night, and then just hunkered down in my negative 25 degree sleeping bag here, and I was pretty impressed. I stayed pretty warm. I could only say like the times where the wind woke me back up because it's shaking the whole tent. That was the times that I kind of felt a little cold, because I'd get up a little bit out of the sleeping bag just to make sure it's good. But other than that, I stayed pretty toasty in here all night with just the sleeping bag. So might not even need to use the propane heater next time. It is nice, especially in the morning. I'm about to kick it on, but like right now I'm out of my sleeping bag and I'm pretty warm, so I think I might see if I can't get back to sleep for a little bit. It's like 8:30 in the morning and I'm pretty cozy in here, so I don't have any rush, no plans. We're just gonna make breakfast and leave, so sleep in, I guess. So I'll get with you guys back whenever we get out of the tent. So
Looks like I made the smart decision, like Brandon was saying. I was parked over by him, over there in the shade, and now parked right in the sun this morning, and it feels great. I'm getting ready to make some coffee, and there's a little flap I was telling you guys about that lets all of the propane, CO2 or carbon monoxide out, so I don't have to really worry about it. But yeah, so gonna make some breakfast, make some coffee, hang out for a little bit, and hit the road, go do a tent review today. The last little part of getting packed back up since we did a trail yesterday is airing up. So, Brandon, did you have a good night?
What's up?
You have a good night?
Oh yeah.
System
passed.
Yeah, you like the new system?
Yeah.
For,
warm.
Just don't let as much air out of the pad next time.
No, don't do that. Make sure Ed has his own blanket.
Brandon, what's your channel name so we can?
It's just Brandon Chamberlin.
Brandon Chamberlin.
It's really easy.
I'll put a link in the description below for you guys. But he's got a pretty stock-ish 460 with a
With mods on the way. Kobe
Mods.
is holding them up.
Well, we just got the roof rack installed since the last time I saw you, so that looks good.
Yeah. Looking less soccer mom vehicle. Right?
Not as much soccer mom, especially with the traction boards up there. But yeah, go check him out. We're gonna finish airing up and get the heck out of here. He's gonna go on a hike. I gotta go do a rooftop tent review of my tent. So you guys have a good one. Till next time. Peace.